Hey guys, Orange here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this AVANTEK doorbell ringer set. So it comes with the button and it comes with two speakers. So let's just get into it. So inside we have two of the speakers which you have to plug in, so not battery operated. Then we have the button itself and some screws for screwing on the button. We also have some sticky 3M tape or something to stick on the doorbell as well. Okay, so let's take the plastics off. So as you can see, these are some nice glossy finish on these, but they're probably going to attract a lot of fingerprints over time. But they're nice and shiny and black, so it looks pretty nice. There's this transparent ring here, so hopefully it lights up. I don't care if it doesn't. But okay, so they've given this thing which you use to take the cover off to insert the battery, which is just one of those little disc ones. So you have to put this in here and then twist. And don't be afraid if you're going to break it, because it shouldn't break. Just have to twist, and there we go. So if you want to change the battery, it'll be like this. They've already given a battery and they said it'll last for around 5 years if you're using it like 10 times a day. So obviously we're not going to be using it for 10 times a day, so it should be lasting for around 10 years. So it said you have to remove this plastic film. Don't know if you can see there. Have to remove that first before using the battery. Just take this off and then slide the battery in. Then we put the cover on, just like so. So now there's actually lights there. It looks pretty nice. So it will light up every time you press it. So now let's go plug these in and you'll see all the different sounds, what these buttons can do, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so I've got a plug here, a plug extension cord. So these things are actually quite big, so if you want to plug it in here, you won't be able to plug something on the other two sides. So for example, if I've got this, I won't be able to plug it here. I'll have to plug it over here. So that's just something to remember. So we plug this in. Now we're going to press this. So that sounded pretty nice. Let's just... Okay, so this button is the volume button, and this one is the change the music and song whenever somebody presses it. And there's around 52 options. So there's quite a lot to choose from. So I'm going to play them. I'm also going to show you how the volume works. So first, let's just press this. We'll press the button. So this is muted right now. But if I press it again, and it's going lower and lower. So it's considerably quieter, and this blue LED flashes every time some sound comes out, so just to let you know. So now I'm going to play through all of the sounds it can make, so let's just start with this one. So those were the noises of the AVANTEK doorbell. I think for the price it's really good because not only do you get a high quality button with lights and you get 2 powerful speakers, but also the range is very long. It's around 50 meters you can go up to, so it's really great, especially if you have like a upstairs house and downstairs house. Then you can plug one on the up and one in the down, and yeah, I think it's really great. In terms of the sounds, it's a great variety to choose from. You can change the volume, the buttons are fairly easy to use, the speakers are quite loud, they're actually on the back, so yeah, that's pretty cool. And the design is also pretty nice and black. It does attract a few fingerprints and dust, but with one quick swipe of a wet wipe or something, it will be clean, and yeah, I think it looks really nice. And they work pretty well. And I think with the stuff it comes with, the screw bits, the screws to like screw this in onto the wall or something, and the tape and the key. I think it's a really great option for around £20, and on sale it can sometimes go down to £15, so it's really great. Lights are quite bright as well, so you can see them from across the room. And yeah, so that was it guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and